Hi, it's Sarah Taylor. Welcome back to my channel. I'm going to be showing you a couple paintings today, and I'm contributing to the World AIDS Day collaboration. And I decided to participate in this because I think it's something that really should be talked about more. This particular disease, it's been around a long time, and, there's just these underlying kind of social inequity issues when it comes to HIV. This is a conversation that we hear a lot right now just in society about discrimination, racism, things like that. And, to me, a human disease is a disease, and that's what it is, and it should be addressed just as any other disease. So, I'm feeling a little, in this art that I'm showing you, I'm feeling frustration, a little bit of anger, and not just around this topic, but just around a lot of the issues that we're seeing in our modern day society when it comes to just people being divided by so many different social and political topics. And I love having opportunity to just bring people together to kind of unite our voices. And this particular cause, it's still affecting a lot of people, and it's not necessarily getting the attention that it needs. The organization that this, any donation, any super chat, the sale of both of these pieces of art is all going to go towards the organization that I've linked down in the description, which is helping to, conquer the problem, the disease that we're still seeing with AIDS. So I hope you're having a really beautiful holiday season. I know this is kind of a heavy topic, but it's also, something that I think is necessary. So thanks for inviting me to help with this collaboration. Donations are awesome, you guys. Just keep them coming. And it's all going to go towards the AIDS United organization. So I'll talk to you soon, and I hope you can kind of feel the hope, the love, the anger, the frustration, that's kind of all poured into this today. So much love. All right, talk to you soon. Bye.
creek flows, where the red moon rises in a smoky gray sky. And I followed the